The morning of the accident, it was just a normal day. A big rig just blew through the light. We collided and everything came to a stop. I always thought that could never happen to me, and it did. And I went from, having a job to not working at all.
I just was worried about him being hurt. And I saw his head bleeding, and we didn't want to take a chance. And then the truck was totaled and pieces everywhere on the ground, and it was traumatizing.
The day after I was out of the hospital, my mother actually started looking around town for attorneys, and at the time I couldn't think straight.
I didn't want to go with the big firm, and I saw a major, and it was different.
I wasn't even worried about getting an attorney. I was worried about getting taken care of. From the first day we met, I knew it was going to get better. It felt like I had a team behind me, and I wasn't alone.
These accidents are life-changing events, and it's the goal of my firm to help be there for those people, to get them on the other side, to give them some hope. What I think really sets us apart is you're not necessarily a number on a file or a dollar amount, but ultimately we want to help put people back together. That's what we do here.
First thing he talked about was medical treatment, getting right, getting back on track to everyday life type stuff. And he was just there. Every time I needed to call him, he was there to answer. There was one point where they were trying to accuse me for running the red light, and Major reassured me that, everything was going to be taken care of, and he had his team behind it.
Abbasi set up doctors that took care of Jeremy really well, and had the equipment for him to get better.
After the brain injury, I was having major headaches. All day headaches. After the procedure, the headaches were gone. It was like an instant. It was just relief that I was able to even think clearly and go about everyday life. And after having a baby, it was more assurance that I could be a father. I could continue my everyday life after the brain injury. It was more money than I thought I would get, and it's changed my life. I have a newborn child, and she's taken care of. I'm taken care of, and my family's taken care of.